everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little updated makeup tutorial. Just kind of showing you guys how I've been doing my makeup lately. It's super quick and very easy, and it looks cute literally 100% of the time. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please, my hair is a dumpster fire. It fucking is so ugly and I have no one to blame but myself. So, love that for me. Well, first things first, if you are new here, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Riley. I don't really post that often, but you can follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and I am on there all the time. I always answer messages on there, and yeah. So definitely check out some of my socials. I do have a Depop as well. Been hella selling on there. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with our little makeup here because I don't want to procrastinate making this video any longer than I already have. My hair is so fucking ugly. I feel like shit, which is why I haven't like made a video because my fucking haircut is atrocious. It fucking is the worst. Okay, but first things first, we are going to be using this Urban Decay All Nighter Face Primer. Honestly, I'm a little bit indifferent about this primer. I don't think it really does anything or makes my foundation last any longer like it's really claiming. Sorry if I'm looking to the side over here. This is like where my mirror is. So yeah, we're just gonna let this primer sit for a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna just get my beauty blender wet and we're gonna do our foundation. So lately I've been really liking the ColourPop Pretty Fresh foundation, and it has hyaluronic acid. It's supposed to be hydrating. I don't really know. I don't know. I live in the desert and my skin is always just so dry, so I'm the worst person to ask if something is moisturizing because it's never moisturizing enough. So we're just gonna dot this all over. It's like kind of a medium coverage, which I like. I don't really like full coverage, especially in the summer, and plus on top of wearing a mask, like what's the point? I'm going to mist my face with this Mauvin Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. I got this in a BoxyCharm. And we're just going to blend this out. Okay, so next up we're going to go in with our setting powder. I'm just using a random one that I have. It's the Ciate London at Ciate Everyday Vacay. I really don't have a preference with setting powders. I know which ones I don't like. I hate the Airspun. I hate the NYX setting powder, and there's one more, can't think of it, but anything that's grainy, get it out of my face. And of course we're gonna go back in with our setting spray here, and my mouth was open. Okay, so next up here we're going to be using the Wet n Wild, My Melody, and Kuromi palette. I bought 2 of these because I did not want to run out and not have any left. So I'm gonna just be going in with like the really cute little pink shade here, and I freaking love blush. So I like to start, this is why I wait to do my eyebrows also, is I like to start over here and I like to really bring it up. So I don't like to contour my face, so I kind of like do a little something with blush. And then of course we got to get the nose. I don't know how to contour my nose, so I just add a lot of blush on there and to like distract from, like, I don't really know what I'm doing anymore. So yeah, I kind of just like build and blend until I look like a mixture between a forest fairy and someone that just got teleported from 1983. So yeah. Time for eyebrows. I know a lot of people aren't even used to seeing me with eyebrows, but I don't know, I've been really digging having eyebrows lately. I just feel like everyone now has no eyebrows, and I just like, I don't like to do what everyone else is doing, if that kind of makes sense. It kind of doesn't make sense at the same time, but I'm a confusing person. So we are using this Ulta Beauty Ultra Slim Brow Pencil. I think I got 2 of these for $10. I think that was like buy one, get one free or whatever. So yeah. And we're just, I have about half an eyebrow. I did grow my eyebrows out all the way, you know, during quarantine, but I forgot how ugly my natural eyebrows are. So it's not gonna happen ever again. But I will zoom you in really quick so you can actually see what I'm doing. I took my bridge out and it's really going through it, so please just ignore that. Okay, so now that we have our eyebrows done, what we are going to do now is our eyeliner. And I'm using the House Laboratories felt tip eyeliner. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually not go here, we're going to go like that. It looks rough right now, but trust me, it's gonna look good. Trust the process. I do really like this trend that's been going on of kind of like messier looking makeup. Like when I was growing up, if you weren't blended to the gods, you were getting shit talked. So I really do like where kind of like this new generation of beauty is going, where it's like a lot of like smearing and mascara like dotted all over, like people just going like and like just leaving their liner just like looking crazy like that. I'm like, I love it. But yes, I'm almost done here. I did go a little crazy, honestly. I might be putting on airs because I'm on YouTube right now, but this wing is really intense. Of course, this one looks super sexy and this one looks like okay. Now it's time for some mascara. I've never used this one before, so let's just see how it goes. Already, I'm sus. Alright, it's not gonna focus. Cool. This mascara kind of is trash. So I forgot I was going to do the bottom of my eyes really quick. So what we're going to do, I'm using the Glam Goth Beauty 7 Deadly Sins palette, and I'm just going in with black, which is called Death. And I'm going just underneath. I kind of like to go further like this. And then I'm just kind of like going like that. Now I'm just gonna like blend this a little bit. Next, I always love to do this because it kind of gives you that signature super sleepy dead look. I'm using the Huda Beauty Amethyst palette, and I'm just going in with this like really dark purple shade here. And I'm pretty generous with this, and I kind of just blend it in with the black. Alright, I'm just going to use a random black pencil liner here and just line my lower lash line. And then the last thing we're going to do to our eyes is we're just going to apply some white right here with this ColourPop cream eyeliner situation. Okay, I feel so cute in this makeup. I'm obsessed. So the last thing that we need to do is just our lips. And I like to use the ColourPop nude lip liners over my whole lips. This one is in Ashton. Alright, here is the finished look. I'm sorry my camera overheated at the last minute, so I'm just gonna record this outro super quick. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I love you guys. I'm very happy that I finally, you know, forced myself to sit down and film a video, and I'm actually really happy how it came out. And I, you know, did my hair a little bit and now it doesn't look as bad. Next video I have plans. I'm going to be talking about some of my favorite and least favorite like beauty and other products, even like houseware products and like random adult stuff, because like shit, I'm an adult. I can review house cleaning products and people would probably listen to me. But anyways, stay safe guys. I love you. Don't get COVID. Have a hot girl summer, and yeah, have a great day. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.